guys, welcome back. Carter, BitsBeTrippin. Have a real quick episode for you guys today. I know there's a lot of people freaked out about the markets and stuff, but if you're a GPU miner, you're gonna wanna watch this. What do you do if you're down on profits? You're like, dude, do I sell my rigs? What do I do? What's my plan? What am I gonna do? One of the first things you're gonna wanna do, especially if your rigs have been running for a while, is get them cleaned up, get them set up for if you're gonna sell them or ready to turn them back on. So one of the things I'm gonna take you guys through today real quick is kind of our process of what we're doing with some of our cards that have been running since 2016. We've been through a couple clean cycles, but let's take you through some of that setup right now. You can hear the machine running right now. I've already went through the clean process. We still have some testing over here. A couple other cards ready to go. Missing some screws on this one, so we're getting that set up. Dylan's coming back in with a couple blown off cards. Got some other ones ready here. These again are all our older cards that we've cleaned up from 2016. I mean, aside from a couple of these ones, 3090s that still need to get deployed. But we have a lot of stuff getting cleaned up here through the process. So when the markets are down, you can take your mind off those risk of profit and get some of this stuff cleaned up. So you can see some of this dust here. You got to get this stuff cleaned up, get it in shape, and then have it ready for when we want to get these things turned back on. When you have to watch the markets as they go down. You can see all of our process here with the Red Devils taking their outer shell off as we go through the cleaning process here. You can see going through that process right here. And then after they're all cleaned up, we go through some testing to make sure everything's in order here. Putting usually a 6-card or 7-card rig together here. And then doing a load test on it. Testing it with Ethereum Classic, Raven Coin. Can they handle, did the heat spread work? We'll take you guys through some of this. We got some 1070s over here, blower style fans. These things are also collectors of dust. And then of course a rig right here ready to go, and that has passed the test, and we'll go through a longer few day test before they are either moved back into a farm or we run them through Crypto World. You guys see a Radeon 7 there, needs to be fixed and cleaned up. And then we have some Vegas and some 5700s over there. So this is essentially the clean operation side of our process and business here with BBT as we start to clean up and get ready for this next cycle. So mining's not going anywhere, my dudes. You always have pullbacks in the market. Always happen. Fourth time this has happened. And it's just about keep building and then clean your stuff. Use this time if you're powering down to take care of your stuff. All right, my dudes. We're going to wrap this one up. If you guys have any questions, put them down below. I'll try to get to them and answer them. Like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Decentralization is one of the most important factors in a global cryptocurrency network. Bitcoin's proof of work functions due to the exceptional security provided by the miners of the network. Today's sponsor is Compass Mining, a company with a customer-focused experience providing a tailored approach to purchasing, hosting, or even an at-home option, allowing anyone the opportunity to participate. If this interests you, head over to compassmining.io.